Welcome to World Famous Foods again with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're going to be doing some jerk chicken. You guys might have seen our other recipe we did with the jerk sauce or jerk marinade, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to just dump this in here and let this marinate overnight. Tomorrow we're going to put it on the grill. Just get this all worked up in here. That's all we're going to do. Look at that. Just, oh yeah, I smell those flavors. Get all that in there. Okay, so time to put this chicken on. Look at this, marinate all night. Time to put it on the grill.
Look at that. It's gonna be tasty. Alright, so we're adding more pieces of chicken back on here. Got two zones. Cooler zone on this side. We got the charcoal on the other side so it doesn't burn.
Are those finished over there?
Oh yeah. These ones over here, we're gonna fix and take off. And it looks pretty darn good.
World famous.
Alright, let's go see what these things look like. Oh, that's beautiful.
Dang.
Nice golden brown chicken, nice and tender, moist, juicy. Jerk chicken, ready to go. I think we'll take these off.
World famous.
World famous.
Okay, so today we have a guest tester.
Good afternoon. I'm about to try out the world famous jerk chicken. It's a little bit of kick to it. A little bit spicy, but not too bad. It's good.
World famous.